Hello my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing day. My name is Araceli and in this channel you're going to find home decor, DIYs, fashion, beauty and so much more. And in today's video I am so excited to be sharing with you how I decorated my living room and my small bathroom for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested in this video, don't move, stay right there and let's do this at glam style.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control.
If you've been watching my videos, you already know more likely how my house looks, and this is what you see when you first enter my house. Let me not reveal too much, but let's take a closer look. So I decorated this Christmas tree for Valentine's, and I have a video dedicated to it, but I'm just gonna give you a little glance at it. Moving on to my fireplace, I decorated with this vase. Whoops. And I put a little heart right here and the little lips for Valentine's, of course. I'm going crazy. And right here, this ones we did them on a DIY for New Year's. And I have a video on how to do this little setup right here. But if I can, I will leave you exactly how I did it right on this part right here or somewhere on the screen. Same thing I did over here with the little vase. Now moving on to the bottom, right here I added this little box that I acquired at the Dollar General, and I just put like this little tissue paper with a little bear. Right at the bottom I put one of my little elephants with this little vase that my husband got me last year with an arrangement. It just has like a little heart, but you can't see it when you turn on the light, so try to keep them off, but for the sake of the video I'm gonna turn them on. Of course, my fireplace, and then on this side I got my other elephant and this beautiful heart that you can turn on as well. And I believe this one we got it, honestly I don't remember, I've had this for years. So here's a further look at my fireplace. Now moving on to my mirror, let's show you a further look, but let's take a closer look now. And right here I have this little houses, I forgot how they're called honestly, but I just put like a little bear inside and a little candle of, I showed these candles on the New Year's video as well. I got them on Amazon, but I'll try to leave them in the link below. And I just put like a little heart inside, and this is actually a planter, I forgot the name as well, but I put a little heart, and this is a wooden heart with glitter, and this is a smaller pink heart of the ones that we used throughout the videos that I did right here on this channel. And then on this other one I put the 3 candles, and I just, you see how easy it is to like give little details to your house. So just the 3 candles and the ribbon, it says I love you or love, just love. And the little red frog with the pink hearts. This was a gift from my mom, so I really love it. And then up here I just did a bow with mesh, so yes, you can make bows with mesh, and a little I can't talk today, another little bow with the white hearts. So, and that's how they look. And then on this side, the arrangement that I did for the decorate with me for the New Year's, I just put it right there. So, and then on top I put this little balloons that I got at the 99-cent store. This was a steal because it's just really cheap and they're so pretty. So, and this is the look from farther away. and that's me. Hello. And then right here, this one, my husband got it for me for Christmas, and this is honestly a gift bag that I got at the 99-cent store, but I just really like what it said, hello baby, and a little flower from Michael's. And then this one, I had it also, I added a DIY, well, not a DIY, but a transformation video on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, sometimes I post stuff there. So you might want to follow me there so you don't miss out. It was blue and I transformed it to white. And then I just put this realistic looking flowers that I got at Amazon. I will leave them on the link below. Look how beautiful they are. They look so realistic. It's uncanny. Anyways, moving over here, you know, you've seen these pillows. If you've seen my videos, these are the hairy pillows that I got at Amazon, or they're actually pillowcases. And then I also got this pink ones. They're so cute with the little thingies right there. And right here I have another one also from Amazon, and it was just cover and a elephant that my husband and my daughter got me. It's a little the little flower the little heart, and it's pink. It's just beautiful. And then of course, because I'm always cold, the blanket. Moving on to the other sofa, I just have a white pillow and a pink little pillow. Fix this real quick. And then that's my stairs. So right there is where I put the garland that we made on the video. So it looks so cute. Okay, now moving to the other side table, I just have right here, this one I got it at Home Goods, and these are the little candles that I got at Home Goods as well. It looks so pretty. And then that's the little tree that we made on my DIY video. And then right here I had two of this little balls, so I added one on top of this little candle holder. Well, actually big candle holder. Anyways, so, and remember the idea that I gave you, so I have it right there with this little vase. Now moving on to my coffee table. Here's where I put the flower arrangement we did, and then right here I have a tray with this coasters that I DIY'd as well. The video is on Instagram. And then I bought this heart stand.
Let's take a moment to appreciate that I didn't say little for the first time.
Yeah, I think that's what it would be called. At Party City. It's so cute. So it's really simple, just with little details. You can really turn your house into a holiday party. Anyway, so moving on to my Bermuda triangle. I just put this gold flowers that I got at Michael's. Can you guys believe that I got these beauties? Look how beautiful they are, for only $1.50. And this ones, they were, I think, $1 or some cents. I don't really remember, but look how beautiful they are. They're so pretty. Right here I put this little bear. It says I love you, and it's standing on a heart. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it has the tissue. And then the same gold pillow that I used on Christmas, one of the other pink pillows, and the fluffy pillow. Now that's my one of the chairs is missing, but that's my my dining room, and I have a video dedicated for that. So this is just a quick glance at how it looks. So this is where I have like my sitting little area that I created. And then on this side I have this pigs from Hobby Lobby. I got this on Christmas, and that's all I have right there. And then of course my mirrors. And then on this side, this is where my small restroom is. That's a closet because this is not a full restroom. So that was meant to be a shower, but we didn't do it. It's just a closet for more storage. Once you enter my restroom, that's where I put the canvas that we did on my DIY video. And then over on the other side, that's what I have, the little vase that we did. And then I glammed up the towel with this heart and the bells from the Dollar Tree as well. And this ribbon, I believe, is from, no, I don't believe, it is from Michael. So
if you're interested.
So that's my other DIY that I did. Look how beautiful it looks together. And that's my candle warmer. I believe that's what they're called. It has like little hearts. They're so beautiful. Oh, and I didn't show how I did this, but basically I just took, these are like little flowers, see? They're like little flowers or roses that I got at Michael's. So they're just stuck in there. And these are like the little, the little picks from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, I don't remember, but they were $1. Right here, I have my soap dispenser. This one I got it at Bath and Body Works, and I have this set up with my other candle holder. This is the smaller one, and I just put tissue paper and then these little baby breaths and the champagne toast spray because we need those in the restroom. Moving on to the other side. Oh, hey there again. I have this little setup. This is the top of a box. Well, it's the top of the box that's on my fireplace that has a little bear. And then at the bottom, there's another one of the pink little vases. And it has pink flowers as well and the pink roses. And then on top, I have a candle. And then over on this side, this used to be a perfume, as you can see. This used to be my husband's perfume bottle, but when he finished it, I turned it into a little vase. It looks so pretty, and then inside it has like little hearts. See? So cute with the little flowers. And this is the overview of it.
And that's it for today's video. As you can see, I didn't spend a lot of money getting my house ready for this romantic holiday because most of these things I acquire at the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, and the 99-cent store. Why? Because I don't like to spend a lot of money during holidays. Well, except Christmas. Except Christmas. But that is just a beautiful exception. And the reason being why I don't like to spend a lot of money on holidays because it's just one day. So I like to make my own decorations. I do make exceptions if I really like something. I do acquire it, I do get it. But for the most part, I like to get neutral things so I can use them throughout the year. And that is my tip to you guys. This is something that I learned with the year. Acquire things that you can use all the time, not just for one season. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and I really do appreciate it. Till next one, bye.